أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to discuss with you the very important surah of Holy Quran, the opening surah, Surah Al-Fatiha, which one we need to complete our salah. Without Surah Al-Fatiha, your salah will not be valid. Even if there is a small mistakes in Surah Al-Fatiha, your salah will not be valid. It will be counted as an invalid salah. So many of us, while we recite Surah Al-Fatiha, we are not careful and we don't realize that we do so many mistakes into it. So I'm going to discuss with you most of the serious mistakes people does while they recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Mistake number 1. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So people recites Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. There is a kasra under the nun, but while the people recite, they do Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. They put the dhamma on that. It's a mistake. Mistake number 2. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. There is a ayn, not alif. So people recite Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So you have to be careful in this place as well. Mistake number 3. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. That's the right one. Again here, under the nun, there is a kasra. But while the people they recite, they do Ar-Rahmanur Rahim. They put dhamma on nun. Next mistake. Malik Yawmiddin should be, but people says Malik Yawmiddin. It shouldn't be Malik Yawmiddin. It should be Malik Yawmiddin. And some people they say instead of Middin, they says Muddin. Again here under the memes there is a kasra, not dhamma. Next mistake. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. That's the right one, where people says Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Next mistakes. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Most of the people we recite Ihdinas sira talmus taqim. There is a qaf, not kaf. So when we people recite, they put kaf. So we have to be careful when we recite this part as well. Next one. Siratal ladina an'amta alayhim. So many people they says sira talladina. Instead of ta, they recite ta. So you have to be careful. Again, an'amta. Most of the people they recite an'amta. So there is no ana, there is an'amta. Alayhim, not alayhim. Then ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. So many people they recite ghayril magdubi mag instead of ghayn, magdubi alayhim instead of ayn, they recite alif alayhim. So while we recite Surah Al-Fatiha, we do have to be very careful and you have to correct yourself if you want Allah to accept your salah. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.